Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 BMW F800GT Sport Touring. Beautiful condition, twin-cylinder 800, liquid-cooled fuel injection. This bike is equipped with electronic suspension, heated grips. It's got a V-Stream windscreen, Metzler Sport tires, a Sargent seat, handlebar riser, locking side cases. 17,000 miles on this gorgeous BMW Sport Tourer. Come on by, make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $64.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.